Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAVB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean when I say 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today on this one. Big gap up, lots of volume. Unfortunately, though, the last part of the day, I'm not going to say ruin the chart because that wouldn't be true, but definitely kind of put a little bit of a negative vibe to it. And that is, circling around here, this area here at $1.13, which for the majority of the day did a fantastic job of holding as support. So right there, price temporarily got below it, but snapped back up, held as support, and then this afternoon held as support. And then all of a sudden, the last 30 minutes happened, and it didn't hold as support. And not only did it not hold as support, the price actually, pushed down below it quite a bit. Again, does that mean that the entire chart is epically destroyed? No. Does that really kind of change up the landscape a little bit? Yeah, absolutely. And, that's also what brings about the first key level to watch going forward. And this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So with any sort of, movement back to the upside, that first key hurdle that'll need to be cleared is going to be right there at the $1.13 mark. And then if something crazy happens and the price really surges back upwards, as far as, a next level of support resistance would be concerned, that's up there around the $1.35 mark. So again, in the very near term, $1.13, next key level up there after, or right up around $1.35. As far as the level of support now to watch going forward, that's all about the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as Wednesday plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. Currently, that value is at 87 cents, but again, keyword being moving, so that value is going to move. So in other words, as a trader, you'll just have to be a little bit more proactive and track what the current value, of that 50-period moving average is as the day plays out. So again, yes, right now it's at 87 cents, but it's not going to remain that way as Wednesday starts to play out. So, just take a real-time inventory check, keep an eye on that, because that will be the next overall level of support on Wednesday. So yeah, not the greatest close at all. Rough final 30 minutes, but we'll see if the price can try to get things stabilized out and then turn back around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.